welcome back to my channel Arshia Vlogs. Today's video is all about making our friends feel special. So why not to create something for our friends? Today I'm gonna make a pop-up card and a friendship necklace. So let's look at the material. We need a full red sheet, a 12 by 18 centimeter white sheet and a 12 by 12 black sheet. We need some black thread, sparkle, a pencil, some colored sketch pen, white glue, a compass and sellotape. We need a 30 centimeter scale, zigzag scissor and a plain scissor. So let's start with the pop-up card process. First, let's take the black sheet, fold it vertically like this and fold it from the other corner too. Now let's fold it diagonally and now from the other corner. First, let's bring it to this corner and then take this corner to this corner. Now, let's take this and bring it down. After this, it should look like this. First, a full corner, then a partition one and then finally a full corner again. Now, let's draw around 1 centimeter square and cut it. Let's take the base sheet and fold it in half. Now open it and take a black sheet. Now let's roughly mark so we know where to do the decorations. Let's flip it. Put some glue on the corners and stick it. After pasting, your card should look like this. Now let's close it. I have already wrote Happy Friendship Day. Now I'm going to decorate it with star sticker. You can decorate it with whatever material you have at home. Let's paste it like this on the corners. After decorating the front part, let's move ahead and decorate the inner part. We're gonna paste some golden and silver glitter with some glue. Friendship card is ready. Isn't it looking fabulous? Now let's keep it aside and move on to the band. For friendship necklace, we need a red sheet. I already have a heart shape stencil, so let's trace it and cut a heart shape. So let's randomly draw a zigzag pattern and cut it. After cutting, it should look like this. Now let's do the outlining. After outlining, let's write best friend. Let's make a hole on the top and pass to the thread. Now the friendship band is ready. I have put some beads around the thread, and you can give one to your friend and keep one for yourself. Isn't it looking stunning? I wish a very happy Friendship Day to all my viewers and my friends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.